Coffee is life for graphic designer. Okay, I just kidding. Today I will show you how to design a coffee poster by using Photoshop 2025. If your first time, please subscribe and turn on notification. And if you have a question, let me know in the comment. So let's get started the video. So for the first step, create a new document. I go to File, click on New or Ctrl N. Okay, I click on it. This is recent size I designed before. And we can see default style in photo, print, add illustration, web, mobile, film, and video. I back. The text I selected is the title of document. For here, I choose pixels. Width, I put 9020. Height, I put 1080. I will not design on artboard, so I don't click on it. Resolution, I put 72. Pixel inch. Color mode RGB color 8-bit. Background content I put white. Color profile as RGB. Pixel aspect ratio sphere pixels. And I click on create. This is the size of our artwork. We will design on it. Before design, we save it first. For save, we go to File. Choose Save As for the first save. This is file name. You can put what you want. Save As tab. Choose Photoshop PSD. And click Save. For next step, I need to insert the element to design. I go to Folder. They are my element, and you can download all of them on link in description as well. So the first, I drop the background. I scale it to fit the size. I Ctrl T, right click, and click on flip horizontal because I want the sun background from the left direction, from here to here. Okay. Next step, I color grading on this picture. I go to filter and click on camera raw filter, or we can use shortcut Shift Ctrl A. And we customize it over here. I increase saturation, vibrance, and click OK. Next step, I insert main subject. I drop this one. I add curve to the main subject. We stand on it and we click on create new fill or adjustment layer and click on curve. Right click and create clipping mask and we work on over here. Okay, and for another way, I delete it. We can use shortcut Ctrl M. I drag down over here and I drag up over here. And okay, before after, and I add more light from over here. The first, I stand on background and I click create new fill or adjustment layer and choose gradient. Click here to change color. Double click on this. I choose this color. The code is FFFBCE. Okay. Another side I don't change and click OK. Style I change to radial. Angle I put 90 degree, scale 100% and OK. I change blending option to hard line. If we want to move the line, we just double click on gradient layer and we can move it. Next up, I add highlight to the subject. I click on create new fill or adjustment layer and choose solid color. And choose this color and OK. Change blend mode to hard line. I click on here and Ctrl I to invert and right click and create clipping mask. I use brush tool. I choose soft round. Opacity I put 100 and I will decrease it later. I hold Alt key and drag right mouse to make the brush big or small and press it. And I decrease the opacity and decrease to 50. Okay, before, after, I think I decrease more. Okay, for this area, the sun reflects from the left side, so the right side of the subject, it will be a little bit dark. So I click on create new fill or adjustment layer, add a solid color. I choose the dark color and OK. Blending mode I change to multiply. Right click and create clipping mask. I click on layer mask thumbnail and Ctrl I to invert. Before brush, I make select first. I use polygonal lasso tool. After selected, I use brush tool and I press on it. Ctrl D to deselect. And I decrease the opacity. Before, after. Next up, I add bird to the background. I have it already. I drop it. Right click and choose flip horizontal. I want to make it look like so far from the subject, so I make it blur. I go to filter, blur and choose Gaussian blur. Radius I put 5 pixels and OK. Next up I add coefficient as a foreground. Double click to open. I use lasso tool and select it and drag it. I add curve to it by Ctrl N. I add one more. I add this one. I add curve to it as well. I copy this layer, Ctrl J. Okay, finished. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get another tutorial. And if you have a question, let me know in the comment. See you in the video.